Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add GIF to Shopify product page or how to add GIF to Shopify product description, as you can see right here. The first thing you want to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you are going to go into products. Let me select a new product, so I'm going to tap on leave page right here. Once in products, you are going to select the page that you would like to add the GIF to. So let's say, for example, I would like to add the GIF to this page right here. You can either add it as a media, so meaning that you could upload it as one of the product images, or you can add it in the description. So to add it in the description, you can do this two ways. The first thing you will need to do is find a platform that you can get the GIF from. At the moment, I'm using Gipher.com, but there are numerous platforms that you can use. All you'll need to do is simply go onto Google, and from there you can type in free GIF and you will find numerous platforms that you can use. You can see that they also are available on Pixabay, so you could find GIFs on Pixabay if you would like to use them. Once you have found a GIF that you would like to use, so let's say, for example, I would like to use this GIF right here. I'm going to simply tap on it. The first is you could tap on embed GIF. Then from there, you can copy the code. So you could copy the code right here. Then you're going to go back onto the product page. And in the description box, you're going to tap on this icon that says Show HTML. Once you have tapped on it and it has changed, as you can see right here, you're going to simply paste in the code. So let me paste in the code real quick. Once you have pasted in the code, if I were to tap on preview, you can see that it is showing the GIF right now. Let me tap on preview real quick. And you can see the GIF right here. So you can see the GIF right here. But with this option, what I don't like is if someone were to hover over it, you are going to see this icon pop up at the top. So to download and add the GIF, what you'll need to do now, I'm going to go back onto the product page. Let me delete the embed and go back to the regular editor. What I would recommend you do is you're going to download the GIF. So once on this page, you're going to tap on download GIF. Once the GIF has been downloaded, we're going to go back into the product page. And now with this option, you'll be able to add the GIF into your description, and you can also add it as one of the product images. For example, all I would need to do is simply go into descriptions, tap on insert image, then I'm going to tap on upload file. After you have tapped on upload file, you can find the GIF that you would like to use. So you are going to simply select the GIF, then tap on open. Once it has been uploaded, you are going to see it right here. You can see it right there. You are going to tap on it. Then you can add an alt text if you want. Then you are going to tap on insert image. Once it has been inserted, you are going to tap on preview. So let me tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Once I tap on preview, you can see it right here. And now if someone should hover over it, they no longer see the share icon, as you can see there. Now if you would like to add this GIF, instead of adding it to your description, you would like to add it as one of the product images, you can do that. You'll simply scroll down until you see media, then you are going to tap on add. Once you have tapped on add, from there you can select it. So for example, let's say I would like to add this, then I'll tap on open. Once it has been uploaded, as you can see right there, all I'll need to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes has been saved, if I were to go back to the product page, and let's say I were to refresh this page right here, you can see the GIF that I added in the description right there, and you can also see the GIF for the product image. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you again for watching.